Yeah, whatever you do, do not get the iWatch Series 8. Here's why. Hey, y'all, what's up? It's Everything Track. Now, I know what you're saying. I'm a track channel. For the ones that don't know, I am a track and field channel. So why am I doing an unboxing on the iWatch SE? Well, first of all, before we all even start on that, what happened was I was looking at videos on the iWatch SE, the second one. I got the second generation, and from Best Buy, from what they said, they've been sending me text messages and stuff like that. My order is coming in today. So it says 9 p.m., but it's going to be like 3 p.m. And I'm finna go to school in a minute. So before I unbox, I want to show you all this and why you shouldn't even get the iWatch Series 8. Now, first of all, I'm very confident in the 8 because I have the 5 right here. As you can tell, my watch is busted up. If you can't, because it's not focusing. But my watch is busted up. And this happened like a month ago. It busted up on me like a month ago, and it stopped working on me like 4 days ago. And you know what else happened 4 days ago? The iWatches came out. Yes, you heard me right. The iWatches came out. The iWatch line came out September 16th, and it is now September 21st. So it was just right in time for me to get a new watch. All right, so here's the difference. All right, first off, you have more colors than 8. I mean, that's cool. You have more colors. I'll give them that. That iWatch SE only has 3 colors, so I guess if you want to look at that, then fine. If you really just want a red iWatch, then cool, you know. But the prices, this is what I'm getting at: $249, $359. Now here's what you're going to get that you're not even going to notice too much. All right, that's different. Always on display. I have that as well. The Series 5 has that. I promise you'll turn that off because your battery drains like crazy. The ECG app. All right, now that's cool, and I was using it on my Series 5, but here's the thing about that. You know what your beats per minute is anyways once you go to the heart rate app. So like this, the ECG app itself doesn't even matter because you have the heart rate app on here, but it doesn't tell you that. The blood oxygen app, come on now. Are you really going to use that? Like, come on. Everything else is really the same. I'm just being real, and this is coming from somebody who has a Series 5. Everything else is about the same as Series 8, and you're telling me that you're going to spend your 2-week check that you got on an iWatch Series 8 $150 more just because of a blood oxygen app? Like, come on, man. If your blood oxygen is that bad, I promise you, you are not the type of person to be using this. You are in the hospital right now, most likely, getting your blood oxygen checked, not on the watch. If we're just going to be real here. We're not going to get on the Ultra. But anyways, I just wanted to show you all that real quick on why you shouldn't get the 8. Y'all see it. Got the iWatch. Just came in the mail today. Went and picked it up after class. So let's go ahead and open it. All right, y'all. So like I said, we have the iWatch SE 2nd Gen 2022. Just came out. BB-8's here to watch. I have my handy dandy knife. Let's go ahead and open it. Bam. Let's get this out the way. And there we go, the iWatch. All right, so let's see what comes in here. This is my old iWatch SE, and you know, just look at what happened to it, guys. Look at what happened to it. So it's time for this to go. This is the Series 5. This is the iWatch Series 5 that I had, and it's just messed up now. Unfortunately, it happened literally less than a month ago. So on the front it says iWatch. Side doesn't say anything. On the back, as you can see, it says SE. It has the midnight colors, the midnight sport band. I got the 40mm with the medium large band. All right, and as you see, it has what it includes, but we're gonna go ahead and open that so we don't gotta worry about that. So the way you open it, you pull these off right here, bend this down, bend this up, and there you go, guys. I mean, that's pretty cool right there. It's the same as the other iWatches. It has the iWatches and the bands, different colors that you see. So that's pretty cool. And right here, it has the iWatch face. I guess this is the new face, or this could just be an old face. So this is the box, and this is the band. So let's go ahead and open the band first. And you peel these off right here. There's a little sticker. You just peel it off now. They're no longer wrapped in plastic. I just noticed that. for my Series 5, this is wrapped in plastic, but this time it wasn't. And I seen some people unbox the Series 8, and they also said that theirs wasn't wrapped in plastic this year. So I guess it's a new thing, especially with Apple trying to save plastic, you know, trying to be more earth friendly. So let's go ahead and open this. And right there you see it says watch, unimportant paper. Let's go ahead and open it. Now, if you're new to the iWatch, this is going to be important to you. It tells you how to attach it, how to adjust the band, and how to choose your complementary watch face that goes with the band. And in here, there's nothing in here. And this is the band itself. And it feels just like my Series 5 band does. It feels just the same. Nothing feels any different, except for it being new. So that's the watch band. Let's get that out the way. And now for the watch. That's what all you came for. And open the watch, it's the same thing, right? Pull this tab off right here. Pull this tab off. All right, now we have it open. Now I've got to show you on the side, so that way you know which watch you got beforehand. It tells you right here, so you can say it says SC Midnight Aluminum case 40 millimeters. Now some people might ask why I get the 45. I honestly don't like big watches. In fact, I have the iPhone 12 mini. I just don't like having like big stuff, big bulky things on me. I'm just not a fan. So right here, designed by Apple in California. Just a little paper. Apple iWatch. What to do, open your band box. There's just instructions on how to put it on, you know, your watch and how to charge it. And that's it in here. Is there any stickers? Guys, I don't think I got any stickers. Do y'all see any stickers in there? No Apple stickers. Well, anyways, here goes the charging cable. I won't be using this because I already have a charging cable, so I'm not going to open it all the way. But as you can see, it's USB-C. And no, it doesn't support fast charging. I already looked it up. It does not support fast charging like the Series 7. So unfortunately, that's a thing, but I have a fast charger anyway, so me personally, it doesn't really bother me. Now, here goes the watch. And in the box, that is it. That is it for the box. Now let's look at the watch and see what we got here. So here it goes. This is the back. So let's go ahead and open it. Jeez, that is clean. That is clean. Now this is different. Let me show you my Series 5. Now look at the Series 5. This is like a metal build. And look at the SE. The iWatch SE has this, I can't remember what they call it. It's like a fancy word for plastic to save cost. Well, this one is like straight metal or whatever. This one right here isn't. So, but it's cool because the color coordination matches. And you probably can't see it because of the lighting. But it says iWatch SC 40 millimeters aluminum case, ion X glass, GPS, and it just has everything else on the back of what it has. You know, like I said, GPS. It's just gonna read everything that's built into the watch. So let's go ahead and power it on if it has any power. There it goes. All right, guys. So that was the unboxing of the iWatch. If you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want me to do a review on the iWatch SE 2, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. But with that being said, I'm gonna pair it up, and I'm gonna see all y'all later. All right, peace.